see what made the Intense 5. Sean Kingston and Mama Kingston. I saw now go on? No, sir. So court documents say they were involved in a $1 million scheme which scammed several companies out of cars, jewelry, electronics, and more. Sean is supposed to be extradited to Florida soon to face charges with his mama. Oh, wow. Neo came, sang 3 songs, played Ramping Shop, and left. Busta Rhymes said no money, no show, and Keisha said the same thing. What was your Sashi experience like? So this is not Diddy's year at all. More accusations have surfaced. Abusive to people since university days in the 80s. Over 50 people have come forward to give their story. Boy, Diddy, it no look good at all. Did they not know it was Nicki? Well, they didn't care. Authorities in the Netherlands took a very surprised Nicki Minaj in on suspicion of carrying soft drugs. She actually missed a leg of her tour because she was detained, but guess what? She says the show is gonna be on June 3rd. And finally holding the spot this week, the verdict is in. And Cartel and his co-accused have been denied bail. But that's it for the Intense 5. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment. Up next, Maestro Don talks fame, fortune, and music. We soon forward.